Guys, you know what? The new AI is coming from China and it is super massive news, guys. Recently, the new AI called Deepseek is coming into the market and right now is really making a huge trending topic on the internet because this Deepseek is maybe killing it better than ChatGPT or like other stuff AI. In this video, I will use the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Deepseek and test it out for the coder. I don't want like a complicated test like the speed, like to make a complicated website or complicated system. I just want to make a modern calculator. Related the AI around his app. I don't want to like write the code. I don't want to like review the code. I don't want to like debugging all of kind of stuff I cut. But this is pure from AI. So here I'm come with the prompt like this. I want you to become a professional coder expert in web developer, especially front end and JavaScript. So I want this AI to especially professional and expert in the web developer. And then I want you to make a complete calculator with HTML, CSS, and JS coding. So especially this AI to make HTML, CSS, and JS only. This project must have a complete functionality. So this project will give the complete functionality of the calculator. I also want it to have a modern, responsive, and cool look. Okay, so this is for styling, guys. So I tell the AI maximize the creativity and CSS, and also don't forget the functionality. And I want you, the AI, to code it into a spread file. So I have three code here: one index HTML, two style CSS, and then script.js. So in the HTML, it is directly connected. Okay, so I use this exactly same prompt for the four AI that I test today. The first one, I tested on the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT come on with this cool UI. You know, ChatGPT. I use the ChatGPT 4.0 for the free version. I all of this I use the free version. So I copy the index HTML and paste it in the Visual Studio Code. Then I copy the style.css and paste it in Visual Studio Code. And I copy the script.js and paste it. I want to make sure a little bit about the coding. So I think the style and the script is just connected in HTML. So I run the calculator from ChatGPT and this is the result. As you can see, this is a cool look and I will test it. Everything is work and some little animation here. I try to make sure everything work and I think ChatGPT is done well here. For the responsive, I tested and is I think nothing wrong with the responsive, which is this is only calculator app. So let's move on to number two AI, which is the Claude AI. For the Claude AI, I use the same exact from right here. One thing I like in the Claude, guys, there is spread UI. You can see there is an index HTML, style CSS, and script.js generated in the spreadsheet like UI here. So I can like easily copy and paste. So I copy index HTML, I copy style on CSS, and I copy script on JS, and I make sure all is connected in the index HTML. And let's check the result of the Claude AI. So this, you can see the cloud is done great, guys. The cloud is done great here. The modern look, the cool animation. Even if I hover to the button in the calculator, it's a cool animation. For the functionality, this is really fine at all. So I think cloud is cooking. I think Claude is the better for the coder here because I used to use Claude to fix my coding. This Claude is the best AI for coding. I think this is free version, guys. I use the same free version. The look and the functionality, I prefer Claude. So it just a two AI. We have two AI more to compare with this journey, guys. Let's go. So now we come with Gemini. And I think I will use the 2.0 plus experimental here because it is free to use. So I use the same script here. I want to you become a professional expert code. I want you to make HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the complete calculator is the same guys for the all of the prompt. So I copy the index HTML, I copy the style.js and script.js and make sure everything is connected. And let's run from Gemini. Okay, this is from Gemini. It's a little different here. You you get the small box here. Okay, a little bit animation with the green and blue. I think all the functionality is work here. Okay, Gemini do well, but for the UI I prefer Cloud. ChatGPT is more like a normal, but Cloud is different here. So Gemini, I think it's good for the functionality, but the UI I kind of not like it. You can comment in the comment section, guys, which one is you prefer. So this is the time we test the Deepseek, the new AI from China, for this challenge, guys. So I open the Deepseek and write the same prompt here. We generate, and this is the cool thing in the Deepseek. With the new model R1, you can see what the AI was thinking here. Okay, so we got the result here. I copy the index of HTML, style.js, and script.js to Visual Studio Code and makes everything work. And let's run the code, and boom, we got a modern look. But I think this DeepSeek is more like the Cloud one, guys. You know, the Cloud one is got the modern look, but the DeepSeek is just different modern color. In the Cloud, we have like red, yellow, and green. In DeepSeek, we only have the yellow and green, but the color is pretty same, guys. For the over, you can see the cool animation. Okay, let's test the DeepSeek. What? I can tap anything here, bro. Like, okay, everything. This DeepSeek is really, the UI is good. The UI, I think I like the UI. This is cool, but the functionality, I don't know why. I make sure the JavaScript, but this is doesn't work like I think, guys. I can use this calculator. I think some of error for the functionality. I don't know, but this is pure from DeepSeek. I don't want to modify it, but the functionality is zero here. So for my opinion, Cloud is the best for the UI and the functionality is work. I think with if DeepSeek can match the functionality, maybe you can fix some error. But this challenge is only one prompt, so I don't want to fix the error. But DeepSeek, sorry for now, you are the last here because we got the Cloud with the nice UI and functionality. Number two, I prefer ChatGPT with the like nice UI, maybe nice than Gemini. But number three, Gemini, and DeepSeek number four. I think if DeepSeek work, I will choose number two. But the Cloud is the best for the coding right now. So guys, this is only video for me. See you in the next video. I think I wanna know which one AI will you choose for the coding. See ya.